Yes, good morning children. Yesterday we are completed some of the problems from that exercise 3.6. I gave you 5 problems also for the homework, but I asked you that there is any problem which you are not getting that I can explain. I said none of the people are asking either through the WhatsApp or by call. So now I am going to take that one more question from the same exercise. First bit, fourth one. Solve 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, these given equations are not in the form of pair of linear equations which are in the general form. We have to reduce them into the pair of linear equations in two variables to solve it. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. So this you can write it as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. Now here we have to take 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a plus 3 into 1 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. So you can write it 1 by x minus 1 is equal to, you can denote a, and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So this you are getting 5 into a plus 1 into b is equal to 2. That is the first equation which you got in the same. Now the next, 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. This you are written as 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. So already we are denoted 1 by x minus 1 is equal to a and 1 by y minus 2 is equal to b. So here we have to write it as 6 into a minus 3 into b is equal to 1. So 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. This is the second equation. Like this we have to reduce it and we are going to solve that. What is the first equation you got here? 5a plus b is equal to 2. Second equation you got it as 6a minus 3b is equal to 1. Now these we are going to solve it. Yes, to solve it, I told you most probably you can prefer for the elimination method. So to eliminate either a or b. So to eliminate a, we have to multiply the first equation with this coefficient 6, and second equation you have to multiply the coefficient of this. So what we are supposed to do here then? Now 5a into 6, 6a into 5 you can take. Now 5 6 are 30a plus 6 into b is equal to 12. Now 5 6 are 30a minus 5 3 are 15b is equal 5 1 is 5. Are you understood please? 6 5 are 30a and 6 into b 6b, 6 into 2 12. 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. So 30a minus 15b is equal to 5. Now we have to solve it by subtraction. To eliminate the a minus, it will become the plus, it is the minus. This is cancelled. 6b plus 15b, how much? 6b plus 15b, 21b is equal. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore, the b is equal to 7 by 21 is equal to 1 by 3. b is equal to, you got that? 1 by 3. This b is equal to 1 by 3 you can substitute either in the first equation or in the second equation. So substitute b is equal to 1 by 3 in equation 1. Then 5a plus b means 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So 5a is equal to minus 1 by 3 is equal to LCM is the 3, 6 minus 1. So 5a is equal to 5 by 3. 5 cancel, a is equal to 1 by 3. Here a is equal to you got, here the b is equal to you got. Now you have to substitute the values of a and b. Yes, as a is equal to what that? What are denoted? 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3. So x minus 1 is equal to 3, x is equal to 4. And whereas b, what is the b here? 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3. b is equal to, so here y minus 2 is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. So already got here x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. So this is the way to solve the equations which are not in the form of pair of linear equations. Okay. Now we are going to take some another problems from the same exercise. Just I feel little bit typical for you. These problems are a little bit big problems. So 2 times we have to rub the board and use it. Now 8th one you can take here. 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. Another equation is 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. You can see in the textbook page number 67. So here you can write 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, now here only you can write it. Let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. So you can write it as a plus b is equal to 3 by 4. Now you can do the cross multiplication. 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. It is the first equation. So we have reduced the first equation. Now we are coming to the next second equation. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. So this also you can write here 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y is equal minus 1 by 8. So this you can get here 1 by 2 into a, that means a by 2 minus b by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now take that LCM of these two, that is the 2 a minus b is equal to minus 1 by 8. Then 2 1 is a 2 4 is a. You can multiply in the cross way. 4 into a, 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. This is the second equation. You got it. So you got as the first equation 4a plus 4b is equal to 3, and you got the second equation 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. These two equations we have to solve. Four a plus 4b is equal to 3. Next 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now, yes, how to do this? Just by addition we are able to eliminate the b. Yes, plus b plus 4b minus 4b cancel. 8a is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 by 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are is equal to 1 by 4. A is equal to, you got the 1 by 4. But A means what we are denoted over there. Therefore, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4. So 3x plus y is equal to 4. This is the third equation. Okay. Now we are coming to the next. Substitute A is equal to 1 by 4 in equation 1. In the equation 1, what you got here? 4a. 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4 cancel. 1 plus 4b is equal to 3. 4b is equal to 3 minus 1. 4b is equal to 2. B is equal to 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. B is equal to 1 by 2 you got. So B is equal to what? That 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 3x minus y is equal to 2. It is the fourth equation. Yes. Now you got that third and fourth equations. Now we are supposed to solve these three and fourth equations to find out the required values of x and y. Okay. Three x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x minus y is equal to 2. Yes. Now we are solving to calculate this. Yes. By addition we are able to eliminate it. Plus y minus y cancel. 6x is equal to 6. X is equal to 1. Substitute this value in the equation 3. So 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 3 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 3. Y is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So this is the problem where we are calculating or finding the values of x and y from this problem. I feel that it is a little bit big one only, but with a patientful you can do it. Easy way, number of steps will be more. Okay. Now we are coming to that another problem. Yes. One more problem here. It is a different concept to you. That is, Ritu can row a downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. So here one more concept clearly we have to discuss about it. In a stream or the flowing water, either boat or steamer, when it is going with particular speed, that is called as a speed of the boat or the speed of the steamer in still water. And the next, the speed of the flow of the water current, that is called as a speed of the stream. So when boat is going in the same direction of the water, that is called as a downstream. If the boat is going in the opposite direction of the flow of the water, that is called as a upstream. So he did not give that any of the speeds here. Now we are going to discuss about it. Are you understood? I think this is a new concept for you. Now let speed of boat in still water is equal x kilometers per hour, and speed of stream is equal y kilometers per hour. We don't know the speeds of that only we have to calculate it. Now speed of boat in downstream is equal x plus y kilometers per hour. Why? When it is going in the same direction, the speed of the boat will be increased equal to the speed of the stream. So speed of the boat will become as, actually its speed is the x and speed of the water is y. So that speed of the boat in the downstream is equal to x plus y kilometers per hour. Now he said in the downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours. What is the distance here? 20 kilometers it is traveled. In what time? Is equal to 2 hours. As you know that the time is equal to distance by speed. So that 20 by speed x plus y is equal to 2 by 1. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Do the cross multiplication, x plus y is equal to 10. It is the first equation. Whereas speed of boat in upstream is equal to x minus y kilometers per hour. When the boat or the steamer, it is coming in the opposite direction of the water, its original speed will be reduced. How much? Equal to the speed of the stream. Therefore, what is the distance is travelled in the upstream? 4 kilometers. So distance is equal to 4 kilometers in upstream, and time taken is 2 hours only. Therefore 4 by x plus y is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. X, not x plus y, it is x minus y. Yes. Do the cross multiplication. X minus y is equal to 2. It is the second equation. You got it. So here the two equations you got. One is the x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 2. These two equations we have to solve to find out the speeds of this boat and speed of the stream. X plus y is equal to 10, x minus y is equal to 2. Solve these equations. Just elimination method by addition. Plus y minus y cancel. 2x is equal to 12 and x is equal 12 by 2 is equal 6 kilometers per hour. And substitute that x is equal to 6 in equation 1. 6 plus y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 minus 6. Y is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. What is the x we are denoted as? Speed of the boat in still water is equal to how much? 6 kilometers per hour. And the speed of steamer or the boat in, sorry, speed of the stream is equal to how much? 4 kilometers per hour. Yes. So this is a way of doing that a word problems. So first we have to change the given word problem into the system of equations, and then you have to solve it. Okay? Plus you have to go through it. These 2-3 problems what I explained, that they are that very important to you. You can do this type of the problems which I am going to give you for the homework. That's not from the textbook, some other book I will give you. Okay, good day.